years old. No, not 12 years old. And they're scared about that car because of the airplane, the Japanese airplane is flying very low and almost all the trees, the tall trees, and almost the leaves is almost gone with the wind like that. And we hide under the stove. Stove, because the stove there's a little table, there is a soil in there where we cook our food, and there's under that we can hide. So sometimes under the house, and we cover ourselves with blanket. It's really scared, and especially when the war is almost ending, that the Japanese people going around downtown, and there was even three Japanese people who hide under your great grandfather's bamboos. Yeah, and then we were really scared about that.
Where did you live?
In the barrio. What barrio? The house of the barrio, my grandfather's house.
Do you know which city?
Yeah,
What city?
Mapua.
Mapua City?
No, that's Camarines, so Naga City.
Naga City?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially when there is the Americans now bumping the Mount Isarog, and most of the planes, the airplane is red and black. And when we hear that the plane is coming, we really go under the house and hide. because it's scary. Not only sometimes 10, 6, 5, or 4 airplanes going together. And they turn around through our house. It's very low. Very low. It's almost all the trees blown. The winds and the leaves was almost fly because of the airplane.
What are some things that you had to do in the war? What are some things that your family had to do in the war?
Like what? We were in the house, but we didn't go out. We just stay inside. And sometimes you just eat rice and boiled kamote because your great grandpa cannot go on fishing because they're scared of the airplane. There's airplane passing by.
Did anybody in our family go in the war?
No.
There's some battles near home.
Battles?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, in the city.
Oh.
Yeah, that was the time when the defense of the Archbishop Palace was dropped by bomb, and the defense was broken. Yeah, that's what I remember. Yeah.
Thank you, Grandma.
When the war was almost done. There's a war was going to province. And when the people there in the barrio, the rural areas, when they know that the Americans are coming, they will go near the car. And the car is almost surrounded like they're very happy that the Americans are. One time they are going to build the barracks. Barracks in that is within Camarines. So the Americans go to your great grandpa's house, and they buy bamboo to make they use that as shelter for them to stay, and they were very happy. And then the time when we had harvesting the corn, most of the Americans are eating corn, and they said, Father, the American said to my father, I said, your grandfather, thank you very much for this corn you prepared for us. They were very happy. People have this chicken, any kind of fruit that they can give it to the Americans. So when they go to their tent, they build their shelter. Really, Camarines, so they're very happy. But when the Japanese is coming, everybody is gone. Nobody wants to meet the Japanese. All the kids, they're very happy. And the white About the war, my goodness, I don't want to tell, because it's a scary time. Yeah, because, you know, what I can tell you before during the war, people are almost eating that is the root of the banana.
Yeah.
Banana. The root, the one that is under. Yeah. You just scrape the roots. The one that is rooted, that is small, then they get that is inside, and that's the boiled and for their food. Yeah. We have done we for the just for one time, because your great grandfather and have prepared the rice for us, but almost all our neighbors, that is just their food. They have no fish. Only that, they just boil it, and some kids are crying because before they don't eat that, because they have sufficient fish, vegetable, they can plant in their surroundings. But during that war, you have not to go out, because once there is a airplane passing by, airplane of the Japanese airplane, we are scared of the color. We are scared with that's red and black. Just imagine that, red and black. And it's beside that, when they're flying, it's very low, and big sound that we always had. People cannot go out planting in the field. They are scared of that. But oh my God, when the Americans go there, everybody is coming to meet the jeep, the army jeep. They go to the rural areas. But I tell you already that when there's American, they are about to build the barracks with the bamboo. It's your great grandfather who sell campus for them, and they're very happy. And after they pay your great grandfather, they pay the Americans say, you are the first Filipino who received the Philippine money. Because before the first time, only money is Japanese money. But the money before, they just when you go to the market, when the war almost done, maybe they don't put it in their pocket. They just put it in a bayong basket out of bamboo. That is the place, because it's not good. It's not good money. We're very happy now the Americans are the one already coming to our place. When they hear that there's jeep for the Americans, many people are going around them. Especially, they could not even see the jeep because of the people. And you know that before, I remember that one time when they go to pick up the bamboo, which is both from your great-grandpa, they shower us with kisses. Kisses, you king there, kisses. Just throw it to the kids, and because not only kids, but even the old people. We can put cats in it, very happy. Very, very happy. Many people, when there's airplane coming, and this is red and black, people will go under their house. They didn't hide. They don't want because the sound of the airplane is something different from the American plane. What's that sound that is not good? Maybe it's because very low. The airplane is flying very low. Like that. I'm scared of that. Even, our well, deep well, cool. It's very, maybe if it's water, maybe as far as Amber's house. That's the place where there's the deep well there, we have to fix it. And we put it in the can, and we carry it both, and my brother, we carry it both. We put it in the bamboo,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's hanging right in the middle both of us and she is carrying it.
Yeah, that's
Crying. And he is shouting, Nanay, Nanay, takot. He said, Mother, I'm afraid, we're afraid of the airplane. It's black and red.
Hey!
The stories, but you know the story, right? Tell it, you're almost scared. I already gathered at the table to eat, and we held a plate. Oh, did they cover it with another plate inside? It's scary. Scary from Japanese. Your grandfather, my husband, went to Leyte to look for work. And that's the time that they entered the name. And
Yeah.
that's the place. The name is Leyte.
So the war ended in 1945?
Yeah.
So,
1945, 47, 49, 19. I was 15. 14 to 15 years old that time. When we are told to Fitzwater, we say first, we'll wait first because there might be a plane coming. Then when there is no sound of airplane, we then run to the well, to Fitzwater, and then we go back because there might be a plane that might come.
if the plane, if you ran out and the plane came over, you just ran back in?
Oh, but sometimes if there's the airplane, we stop, we don't run. We hide under a tree or stand by the coconut tree. You stand right there. As what Mrs. Stuck on the coconut tree, just we have attached our body right there. Yeah, that's what we do. If you will see that, you will be really cry. Because during that time, we don't put light. We have the light, but they're very small. It's very small gas inside the can. And then covered it with the umbrella. So it is dark. The lights will go up there like this. If there is a light inside the house, that goes to the window. Yeah. Don't do that. That will be broken. Don't do that. The happiest moment that when there is all the Americans going to our barrio, the rural areas, and they have some candy, some cookies. My goodness. The Americans are big people. They go there to our house in our house in the barrio in La Cruz. And then one time, when they pick up the bamboo, they have their own truck. They stop by the school. Then the Americans go inside the classroom and they're visiting the pupils. And said it one time, they said, oh, we are making a map of the Philippines. We are speaking, but before we are very sad to speak English.
Grandma, what's the definition of barrio? Is it village?
No, it's in the rural areas. Their houses is not near each other. They are very far.
Is it like a village sort of thing?
No, it's a barrio. It's in rural area.
Oh, barrio is a rural area?
Yeah. It's almost the other is near the farm. Something like that. At the back of the river. Afraid of got to go out. In my time, nobody will speak too loud. Afraid of somebody is walking around the house. Even the dog, you didn't let them bark. But I think people before were afraid to go out at midnight time because they have to, there is some guerrillas walking around. very happy when they go to America. Our house is near the bank of the river. And the Americans who pick up the bamboo, they keep on swimming right in the river. They're very happy. They're big.
My mom